Welcome everybody. This is just a basic video to show you how to get around in Blackboard and MyMathlab. First, when you log into Blackboard, you're going to see the welcome page. This first announcement tells you how to access MyMathlab. If you click on this, it brings you to a little instructional piece, and pretty much what you do is you go into Blackboard and you click on, you can click on the Assignments tab if you want, and just click on any one of these links and it will take you into MyMathlab, and from there you can make an account and access the course. One thing you want to know is that you will get a 10-day trial period. The 10-day trial period, or it might be 14 days, but it's located right underneath where you have to enter your access code. And if you didn't purchase your access code yet, you get 10 to 14 days of free trial. So this way you won't fall behind until you can purchase your access code. If you're not sure where that link is, it's like I said, it's on the page where you enter your code, and it's sort of in very fine print underneath a few sentences, and it will say use the access code for free or something like that for 10 days. So you just want to click on that, and once you click on that, that's going to open up MyMathlab for you. The first week there's 3 homework assignments, as you can see in this announcement here, and I'll go over that in 1 second. Attendance is very important. It's going to be taken through MyMathlab. I'll be able to log into MyMathlab and see exactly when you've accessed everything, and even through Blackboard I can see all that information. If you click on course information, the syllabus is here. You can click on the syllabus. This is my information here. These are my office hours. I'm going to provide the Zoom link here. I haven't done that yet, but that will show up here. So if you need to contact me during my office hours, you just click that Zoom link, and I'll be online for these scheduled times. The course content videos. Every week there's going to be different videos for the assignments. You should watch these videos first before you go into the assignments link. You might want to take a look at these study skills, some videos here to help you learn how to brush up on your study skills. These here are my videos, and I strongly suggest having you watch these. For instance, this one here, calculator use video and notes. These are the notes here. Notice when I click on this, it's going to open up all the notes that you're going to see in the video, and I have those for all of them. So if you want to watch the video, you just click on this and click that. You can make it bigger, but see, here's the video, and I go over how to use a basic calculator for some keystrokes, stuff we're going to be using in
you can
sections
also use any other calculator
and week 1. And going back to the course content videos, this is the week 1 videos. These are for the actual sections. Notice when you click on this, it brings you to the exact section numbers and my videos. Again, up here are the notes. If I click on that, these are all the notes that I do in the video, so you can download these and write on them if you want while you're watching the video. But the same thing as the other one, you just click on it and start to watch it, and it will go through all of the stuff. You can make this bigger as well.
Times x to the m.
And you'll find those in the course content every week. Right now I only show on week 1, but as we progress there'll be different weeks, week 2, week 3, week 4, etc. Textbook link is here. MyMathlab eText right here. There's a calendar if you want to look at the calendar. There's the MyMathlab gradebook, the multimedia library, and if you need to check your browser to make sure everything's working. But to get to the eText, you just click on it. It opens it up, and we have an error I'll have to check that out, see what's going on with that. Let me try the multimedia library. Alright, the multimedia library is working, so you can get to the textbook here. Let's say I want to go into chapter 1, section 1.1. I want to select all, see what's available, and this is the textbook right here. This will take me to the textbook, and this is a video that is within MyMathlab. You can watch that, but let's click on this, see if the textbook opens up. And it looks like it's opening up. Let me just stretch it out a little bit so we can see it better. So this takes us to section 1.1, and you can read through the book, get some more examples, and see how everything's done within the book. Okay, now let's go to the discussion board. Each week there'll be different discussion questions that you're welcome to participate on. The assignments, this is where you're going to find the assignments in MyMathlab. There's two assignments. This one just says math homework. This one says all assignments. If you click on the math homework, it just brings you to the math homework. Clicking on section 1.2, you can see there are 7 questions that you need to be answered. So for instance, if I click on question 1, I perform the math operation, type my answer in the box. If I get stuck, I can go over here to question help. I can view an example. I can pull up the textbook over here. It has a calculator that I can use. Or if I'm really stuck on something, I want to use this Ask My Instructor. This will send a direct email right to me. This one here, MyMathlab All Assignments. If I click on that, of course it brings me to the same page of just the assignments, but as quizzes or as tests become available, they will also appear here. You won't see the tests under just the homework. They'll be under the all assignments. The study plan, you can click on that. Study plan is for extra practice. When you're in the study plan, you want to click on this All Chapters tab up here, and if I want to get to section 1, chapter 1, I would click here and click on that, and here there's all these extra practice problems that I can do. And the one thing that the MyMathlab does, it sort of keeps track of problems that you're having trouble with, and it will show some of those problems more so in the study plan. The tests, right here, quizzes and tests, this is where you can also find the tests. There isn't any tests assigned yet, so you won't see anything when you click on this, but you'll see them when they are assigned. You can click on your grades here. If you need help, student online resources, there's a link over here for that. If you have any other questions, just let me know.